Hello student, today I am going to tell you some concept of the composition continuity. Means while there are two functions, composition is going on and we want to check the continuity of those functions. So let us see, this is a small topic and sometime it is very important also. I hope you can understand this easily. What is the meaning of composition? I am just giving you some idea about the composition also. First of all, let there is a function gx and let gx is a function, suppose it is sin x, and there is another function hx, it is suppose modulus x. If you want to find the composition g of, if you want to find out the composition like HOGX, then the composition will give you a new function. That function will be modulus sin x. How it is? Let us see in more detail. We can discuss here. Like we can find HOGX, it is equal to HOG and x, which will be equal to like h of gx. Here also there is no reason to write this, so we can write from here directly, like this is equal to h of gx, and the function gx is what? It is given sin x. Gx function is given sin x, and now this is treating this x for this next function. So if you will apply this complete term is, you will have to treat as x, because we are finding now hx. This function is what? hx, and the functions given here in the general form modulus x. So what we can do, we can write it is equal to modulus sin x. So we have got a new function fx. This function fx is what? Modulus sin x. So this procedure is called composition of the function. Like there is a function, suppose gx, there is another function hx, and if you want to find a function, from g to h, so this function suppose I am denoting by fx. So we can say fx is what? Basically h of gx. So this is the actually procedure behind it. In more detail about the composition, we can go through the functions again in class 11th. Also we have studied this chapter. So if the composition is happening, then how to find out the continuity of the function? If there is a single function given, we can check the continuity of the function easily, but at some time we can be little bit confused while the composition is taking place. So let us see how we will check the continuity of a function if it is given. Like let us see this example. The same function I am taking, the function I have taken, like fx is a function which is modulus sin x, and this function is, you do not you will have to means just at a glance you will have to recognize this is a composition of the function, because one function is clearly there inside and other is outside. So you will have to separate this function. Similarly, you will write let gx be a function which is sin x, let hx be a function which is modulus x, and then individually you will have to analyze these two functions. Just in a short note, in the previous lecture I have discussed with you about the sin x. Sin x is a continuous function for all x belongs to R. So you can write, since sin x is continuous for all x belongs to R. What about modulus x? Yes, of course, you can add this term also in the list. Modulus x is also continuous, and since modulus x is a, or we can write there in the short way, modulus x is a continuous function for all x belongs to R. Modulus x is a continuous function. So the conclusion you will have to take out from here, if this is a continuous function, if this is also a continuous function, then the composition of this h of g x, if you will find, which is equal to modulus sin x, will be definitely continuous for all x belongs to R. So we can write like fx is equal to this composition is equal to this function is continuous for all x belongs to R. So similarly, some other questions you can frame like this only. Oh, sorry. So you can frame some more questions like this. I am writing some of the examples, like this is exercise for you. You can take, there is a function given, suppose modulus cos x, or maybe the function is suppose sine of modulus x, maybe the function is suppose sine x square. So these all are the compositions question. You will have to try to do this exercise and learn the concept. I hope you understand this concept. This is the some of the questions generally comes in the short MCQ form also. So try to go through this. Thank you.